2018 Acura TLX Sport Mode. Car 01. Acura wants to ensure that all drivers enjoy the exact experience on the road that they prefer. This means allowing them to adjust their driving modes to suit their mood via the new integrated dynamic system. And that's where Acura Sport Mode comes into play. Showcase your athleticism when behind the wheel of your favorite Acura model, but first, find out all that Acura Sport Mode has to offer. Acura Sport Mode is one of 4 unique driving modes incorporated in the new integrated dynamic system. In the center console of your Acura model, you'll find an IDS button that allows you to scroll through the different driving modes, and you'll see them depicted in the multi-information display. Here, you'll find Acura Sport Mode, which lets you take control on the road. Power Steering Assist takes a step down to increase your influence at the wheel. Meanwhile, the response levels for the Precision All-Wheel Steer System or the Super Handling All-Wheel Steer System, along with the Drive-by-Wire Throttle, get a boost. What's more, you'll enjoy more sounds from the engine, as active sound control tones down. There's even a Sport Plus mode if you want a more aggressive, thrilling ride. When you shop the brand new Acura models on sale at First Acura, you'll most certainly encounter Acura Sport Mode. With that comes a thrilling driving experience that you and your passengers are going to love. Take an Acura model out for a test drive to understand the Acura Sport Mode hype for yourself. Contact the dealership to plan your visit.